Okay, we're starting with the Chin Mudra and Jnana Mudra. You heard that the mudra's name. So everybody confusing between the Chin and Jnana. Please mute your mic, otherwise मैं अपनी voice सुन रही हूँ. Echo हो रही है मैंने. Thank you so much. So Chin Mudra and Jnana Mudra. So Chin Mudra means is conscious. Mudra means is gesture or seal. So why is only conscious meaning of Chin? Because Chin comes from the Chitta. So Chin is consciousness and Mudra means seal or gesture. Okay. So also known as a Jnana Yoga. Why Jnana Yoga? Because both are the mudras are similar to each other. I tell you how or why. So Jnana Mudra meaning is wisdom and knowledge. If you want the knowledge or wisdom, you apply Jnana Mudra. If you want the consciousness, then you apply the Chin Mudra. So now, Chin Mudra, you have to, before the, what called, one second. So I will tell you how to do that. So first, thumb and index finger join to each other and 3 fingers straighten like this. So the thumb and index finger need only touch to each other, not too much pressure. So only touch. And 3 extended fingers as straight as possible. And the hand place it on your lap. If palm facing up, that is the Chin Mudra. If palm facing down, that is the Jnana Mudra. Now you understand what is the Chin and Jnana? No confusion? So what is the symbolic of fingers? क्यों हम इसको Jnana Mudra बोलते हैं? So because the 3 fingers represent the gunas, quality of nature. The little finger, the middle finger, the ring finger and the middle finger. The little finger represent the tamas, stability. The ring finger represent the rajas, activity and creativity. The middle finger represent the sattva, harmony. And then when the 3 fingers together, it's a gunas. And index finger and thumb represent the Jivatma and Paramatma. What is Jivatma? Jivatma is the index finger, individual consciousness. And what is the Paramatma? Supreme consciousness is the thumb. So now you remember what is the symbolic of 5 fingers? What is the meaning of Chin Mudra? Exactly the basic concept. And then you have to know that before the adopt any mudra. So Chin Mudra benefits are, this mudra connects us to our higher self, helps lift dull energy, creates a more receptive state, calms the mind, and brightens the overall mood. It is often used in meditation, pranayama, and asanas. Better retention and concentration power, improves sleep pattern, increases energy in the body, and alleviates lower backache. No limitation in the Chin Mudra and Jnana Mudra. Everyone can do.